doing?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Tiana Michelle here, and I know I've been gone for a while. I have not posted a video on this channel since December 6th, and I do apologize. But life has really been lifing, and I know people say that a lot, but honestly and truly it really has. So So as you can see by the title, we're going to be cleaning up the kids' room today. And of course, I make my kids clean up their room, but they just don't clean up the way I would like it to be clean. So right now I'm just getting everything from under the bed. And I don't know if I ever posted that video, but I got rid of the brown bunk beds that I had for the kids, the 5 and 9-year-old. And I got rid of the bunk beds because they weren't using it and it was broke in a few places. So I got rid of the bunk beds and I got them this frame from Amazon. I'll link it below. I think it was about $40. And then I already had the mattresses, so I chose to keep the mattresses. And honestly, the little kids don't sleep in their bed at all. Maybe they'll take a nap here or there, or if they want to build a fort, then they'll build a fort with the bed, but they do not sleep in the bed. Most times they choose to sleep on the sofa, or they'll try to squeeze into my bed if I'm in a deep sleep. So I got rid of the bunk bed. So as you can see, there's so much stuff under the bed. I have to figure out a solution for that, but for right now, I'm just using the broom to take everything from under the bed. So while we're cleaning up the room, I'm just gonna get into a little bit of where I've been. So as of today, it is January 28th, and 13 days ago, I was laid off from my job. I was at that job for 11 years, and I worked 2 different positions there within those 11 years, and I was laid off. So if you want to hear more about that, I posted a video about it on my vlog channel. I'll put the video in the description box, and I'll also link it up above. But yeah, I don't have a job anymore, so right now I'm just using the time that I have off to give myself a break. Of course, do some cleaning and be a mom right now. I do plan on going back into the corporate world eventually, but right now I'm just giving myself a break. So while I have this time off, I'm just going to focus on keeping the house clean, maybe do a little bit of content, and try to figure out my next steps. And I know you're probably thinking, well, what are you going to do for money? Well, I did get offered a severance package, so I know that won't last forever, obviously, but right now I'm just taking a little bit of a break because I did dedicate 11 years to that job. And besides PTO and maternity leave, I never really took any time off. So that's just what I'm doing right now. So that's basically where I've been this whole time, trying to figure everything out. And of course, the holidays, I gave myself a break as well. So yeah, I'm gonna start rambling on for a while and let you guys watch the video. So as you can see, I did start out by cleaning over by the kids' bed, or cleaning the kids' bed off first. I'm trying to keep myself organized so I'm just not all over the place with cleaning the room. So now I'm cleaning the bed, and then I'm going to switch over to trying to organize the toys. And I did get rid of some toys before the Christmas holiday, but then they got probably about 10 times more with, you know, gifts from different people, different gifts from the hospital. They just accumulated so much more toys. So I'm probably gonna have to go through that process again of getting rid of toys. But right now we're just going to focus on organizing the toys. So as you can see, the kids have a lot of toys, so many toys. And I know there are gonna be some people in the comments that say or think that, wow, these kids have way too much toys, it's overconsumption, blah, 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 blah. But honestly, I would rather have my kids playing with toys, playing with Legos, stimulating their minds versus using their iPads and Nintendo Switches all the time. So I do make them put down the electronics and go play with the toys, draw, build Legos, like I said, play board games. I do like to have them do all of that stuff. So that's why I allow them to have as many toys as they do. And I do go through stages of like cycling the toys out and getting rid of toys that they're too old to be playing with, like this red Target cart. As much as I love that red Target cart, it's time to get rid of it because the kids have outgrown it. So we are going to cycle out some toys and get rid of some things.
It's electric when you kiss me. Never felt this way before. We're magnetic, wanna stay here, closer than close. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking world, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get lost in your paradise. You make me believe it's real. It's high up above from the ground, but closer to heaven. I won't fight it, can't deny it. I'm under your spell. Just like magic, won't forget this for the rest of my life. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking world, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get lost in your paradise. You make me believe it's real. It's high up above from the ground, but closer to heaven. We're closer to heaven.
And there are also going to be some people that say, well, where are the books? And the books are there. If you look down at those brown cubbies, they are filled with books, and the kids read a book every night or almost every night before bed.
Closer to heaven. Closer to heaven.
So I recently purchased this Ever Spring cleaning product from Target. It was only $2.99 and it's cheaper than some of the other cleaning products that I've purchased in the past, and I really like the smell of the product, and it seems very it's not harmful with the chemicals and all that. So I think I'll try to buy a different scent the next time, but I do love the way it smells. So now I'm gonna move on to one of the most important areas in the room, if not the most important area in the room, and it's the area where I prepare my son's medicine or IV medication. This area should be wiped down every single day. That's why you see the disinfectant wipes there, especially the little baking sheet. That's where I prepare the IV medication, so I try to clean that every single day. But right now I'm just gonna go in and remove everything and then wipe it down completely.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the cracks.
Now that I'm done cleaning up the medical area, I'm gonna go ahead and put the sheets onto the bed. Although the kids don't sleep in the bed, I do try to switch out the sheets at least once a week because they do sit in the bed. They like to play in the bed, so the bed does get a little dirty. So I do try to switch out the sheets at least once a week.
And we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention. Yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention. Don't need nobody else in our zone.
And then finally, the last thing I'm gonna do is go in with the Swiffer wet jet and mop the kids' floor. In my honest opinion, this really doesn't get the floor really clean. I really need to invest into a steam mop, but for right now, this will get the job done.
We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention. Yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention. Don't need nobody else in our zone.
And that is going to be all for this video. Hopefully I'll be able to give you guys more videos now that I have more time on my hands. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.